Good afternoon, everybody. Today is Monday, May 16th for the blog video for today, okay? Today, the S&Ps, this is where the S&Ps opened up. Let me just show you a few things here and something that we offer here that I think any of you that are interested in learning how to day trade and want specific levels as to where to trade and how to particularly treat the support and resistance levels. One thing that we do here, and Craig Hill is in charge of it, but we call the Opening Bell Income Strategy Daily Report, which basically outlines. Let me just show you a little preface of this. Now, before I go into that, basically before the market opened, we knew that a break above 2047, which is this lower white horizontal line, right, 247, to above 249. Right, this is 249, 247. A sustained break up through these levels, which we got right in here, right? Because we opened up today, right here on this vertical line, right? It opened up at 2,044.5, rallied up to 44 3/4, traded down to 44, all the way down to 43.5, and then as you can see here, let me just make this a little bigger here. Look at this. Market rallied up to 51 3/4, had numerous closes above the upper end of our resistance level of 2049, right? So right in here, we were told, there was an indication that the market was going to go a lot higher once we broke up to these levels. And all we wanted to do, the remaining portion of the day, is just go long. Look to go long. Do not look to short the market. And so this here, let me just show you something that was put out before the market was open, and you can read that in this report right here. Right in here, look at this. Okay? A break above 2047 and 2049 resistance on upside momentum, which we had with the advanced decline lines moving higher into bullish levels, would confirm the consolidation breakout of the overnight trading session, okay? So again, if we're seeing sustained upside momentum in the NYSE tick with the advanced decline lines continuing to trend higher, okay, we'll be looking to buy pullbacks, okay, above 2050 to 2052. So if you take a look at today's market, that's exactly what we got. Market pushed higher. We wanted to buy the dips, and that's exactly what we did. Now, just on a one contract, and this wasn't just off of today. This was actually just a little bigger trade. Again, did all my trading today through Interactive Brokers, not through TradeStation. But you can see that $525 was made just off trading one contract. But that was in just this account, small account, right? Based on an entry from Friday, looking for a move to the upside based on the readings of Friday's down move. We had confirmation that the market would probably be up today on Monday the 16th. And so, okay? So if you take a look at that, and if you had this reading and you knew that you should just be looking to buy the market, since we were able to sustain above 2047 to 2049 on this upward move here first thing in the morning, again right in here, that was telling you only look to get long. So today was actually a really good day. We bought the pullbacks, and we didn't need much of a pullback because this was telling you that the pullbacks probably wouldn't be very big. So again, a pullback of this little small magnitude is good enough. Even here, all places in which presented good buying opportunities, okay? So again, we call this the Opening Bell Income Strategy, right? Daily, okay? Which this comes out every day before the market opens, and it tells you what to expect if certain levels are broken to the upside or the downside, okay? And so a chart, here, let me just move down and show you my chart for this particular, for today, okay? I don't want to make it look too busy here. There we go. So these are the levels that we had, okay, coming into the day. Okay, when the market broke up, again, we were looking to buy this market. Okay, and these levels right here, the blue, are levels of potential resistance coming up to it. Okay, but remember, today's bias was bullish, so we're not looking to sell into these zones in here at all. Okay, they can be looked at as potential profit-taking areas, but as we break through them, that indicates further strength to the upside. Okay, so all this is provided to you before the market is open, and again, I don't dare trade without Craig's outlook on what to expect, because he does a lot of pre-market analysis in terms of multiple time frame analysis, looking for the best levels in which to potentially enter the market if broken, or broken up through or down through, or areas of resistance and support. So today presented just a great opportunity to be just buying this all day long. So now, as you can see, it is 5 minutes to 4 in the afternoon. We're coming down off these levels. I think if it were earlier in the day, I'd be looking to buy the market right in this area. So I think tomorrow, we'll see what happens tomorrow, but I wouldn't doubt if the market tries to retest the highs of 68.5. All right, hope that helps. And again, if you've got any questions regarding anything that I just talked about, or you want to learn a little bit more about the opening bell income strategy daily, I mean, for $47 a month to get this type of analysis from, again, absolutely my most successful student that I'm aware of for day trading, the E-Minis, who runs the live room, is ridiculous. This is, and again, I trained him, and he's gone much further than what I've taught him personally, and he does just a phenomenal job. Craig Hill, and you can learn a lot from this. And again, I have one screen devoted to everything that he does and all of his analysis. That helps me in my day trading as well. So just want to let you know, hopefully you can learn a little something from that. Have a great day, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.